रब्बे दो जहां, ऐ रब्बे दो जहां।
हर शय में तेरे जलवे, हर शय में तेरे जलवे, हर चीज तेरी पहचान,
ऐ रब्बे दो जहां।
चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक माशाअल्लाह, की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुरनूर फलक सुबहान अल्लाह। अल्लाहु अल्लाहु अल्लाह अल्लाहु।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू कंजुलीमान स्कूल टीवी। आओ बच्चों, आज हम मिलकर अपना सबक पढ़ते हैं। आप भी मेरे साथ मिलकर पढ़ें।
Children, open your English book, page number 4, The Rainbow. In this chapter, dear children, in this chapter we will learn about the rainbow. In Urdu we call rainbow a qause-e-qaza, ek qause-e-qaza. So let's start reading. The rainbow of colors, the rainbow of colors. रंगों की qause-e-qaza, so merry and bright, so merry and bright. इतनी शोख और शफ़ाफ, इतनी शोख, so merry, इतनी शोख and और bright, शफ़ाफ, इतनी शोख और शफ़ाफ. Read aloud with me, so merry and bright. Each color has a purpose. Each color, हर रंग का, has a purpose, एक मकसद है. हर रंग का एक मकसद है या मतलब है. Each color has a purpose, हर रंग का एक मतलब है. Even black and white, वैसे ही स्याह और सफ़ेद. The rainbow is so full. qause-e-qaza इतनी भरी हुई होती है और radiance and gleam, नूर और उम्मीद के साथ. The rainbow is so full. qause-e-qaza इतनी भरी होती है of radiance, नूर से, and the gleam और उम्मीद से, of radiance and gleam. It sparkles, ये जगमग करती है, and shines, और चमकती है, through every little beam, हर छोटी शवा के आर पार. Little beam, शवा, through every little beam. The rainbow is so full of radiance and gleam. It sparkles and shines through every little beam. After a storm, तूफान के बाद, a rainbow, एक qause-e-qaza, you will see, आप देखेंगे. After a storm, तूफान के बाद, a rainbow, you will see, आप एक qause-e-qaza देखेंगे. With all the glaring colors, तमाम चौंका देने वाले रंगों के साथ. With all the glaring colors, तमाम चौंका देने वाले रंगों के साथ. With all the glaring colors, तमाम चौंका देने वाले रंगों के साथ. A rainbow there will be, वहाँ पर एक qause-e-qaza होगी. Then at the end, फिर आखिर में, then at the end, फिर आखिर में, your dream will come true, आपका ख्वाब सच्चा हो जाएगा. Your dream will come true, आपका ख्वाब सच्चा हो जाएगा. A pot of gold awaiting, एक सोने का बर्तन आपका मुंतज़िर होगा। अ पॉट ऑफ गोल्ड अवेटिंग, एक सोने का बर्तन आपका मुंतज़िर होगा। ऑल जस्ट फॉर यू, तमाम सिर्फ आपका। Now children, let's start the meanings of the difficult words. Rainbow. Read aloud with me. Rainbow. Kose kaza. Rainbow. Kose kaza. Radiance. Noor. Beam. Shiva. Merry. Shokh. Khush. Gleam. Umeed. Kiran. Storm. Tufan. Bright. Shafaf. Sparkles. चगमग करना. Glaring. चमका देना. Even. वैसे ही. शाइन्स चमकना, ड्रीम ख्वाब, पर्पस मकसद, पॉट बर्तन, गोल्ड सोना, अवेट मुंतज़िर। Now children, learn all the meanings of the difficult words. Also read aloud and try to make your pronunciation correct. Thank you. We will do the exercise of unit number 4. So let's start. Answer the following questions. What did each color has? What is the rainbow full of? When do you see a rainbow? What will happen at the end? Where did each color has? Each color has a purpose. As we read in the chapter, each color has a purpose. हर कलर का एक मकसद होता है. What is the rainbow full of? The rainbow is full of radiance and gleam. रोशनी और उम्मीद के साथ भरी हुई होती है. When do you see a rainbow? When do you see a rainbow? We see a rainbow after a storm. What will happen at the end? At the end, our dream will come true. Write the correct word in the blanks. Write the correct word in the blanks. The rainbow of colors, so merry and bright. Each color has a purpose, even black and white. The rainbow is so full of radiance and gleam. It sparkles and shines. After a storm, a rainbow you will see. Your dream will come true. Make as many words as possible from the word rainbow. हमने rainbow से words बनाने हैं. So let's start. Rain, bow, now, been, in. Now open page number 30. Matching. Match these words from the poem with the meanings. Merry. As we know, the meaning of merry is happy, so we will match merry with happy. Bright, too bright. Radiance, shimmer, glitter, chamak. Purpose, reason. Gleam, happiness, warmth, खुशी. Beam, ray. Glaring, dazzling. Use the following words into the sentences of your own. Let's start. Marry. She is clapping merrily. वो खुशी से तालियां बजा रही है. Sparkles. The stars sparkle at night. Storm. Tufan. It was a storm yesterday. Dream. I had a beautiful dream. Gold. I have a gold ring. Fill in the blanks with given letters and read the words aloud. Clue. Blue. Quack. Hue. Dew. Clue. Blue. Hue. Dew. Fly. Try. My. Cry. Car. Far. Charm. Farm. Hum. Trump. Hug. Lung. Now open page number 31. Use of took, taken, ate, eaten, gave, given. Read the sentences and notice the usage of the words. Dear children, आज हम words का use सीखेंगे. They took the man to the hospital. यहाँ पे कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज नहीं हो रहा, सिर्फ हमारे वर्ड्स यूज हो रहे हैं, वर्ब्स जो है. दे टुक वो ले गए आदमी को हॉस्पिटल में. द स्वीपर हैव टेकन द गार्बेज अवे. जो स्वीपर था उसने कूड़ा उठा लिया था. ऑलवेज नीड हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. इज टेकन, वॉज टेकन, आर टेकन, वर टेकन, हैव टेकन, विल बी टेकन. आई एट एन एप्पल. यहाँ पे हमारा कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज नहीं हो रहा. यू हैव ईटन माई एप्पल. यहाँ पर हैव यूज हुआ, ईटन. हैव हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज हुआ. ऑलवेज नीड हेल्पिंग वर्ब. इज ईटन, वॉज ईटिंग, ईटन, वर ईटन, हैज ईटन, हैव ईटन, हैड ईटन. सना गेव मी मनी. उमर हैज गिवन अनाया अ कैंडी. ऑलवेज नीड अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. इज गिवन, वॉज गिवन, वर गिवन, हैज गिवन, have given, had given, or will be given. Now choose the right words and fill in the blanks. Aisha took her friend to play football with her. So we will put took over here. She has taken great care of her pet, who was eaten my porridge. Anaya ate the cream and left the biscuit. Bread is eaten all over the Pakistan. Now open page number 32. Pronoun. A word used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. Example: he, she, it, they, we, I and you, etc. प्यारे बच्चों, ऐसा वर्ड जो नाउन की जगह पे यूज होता है, नाउन इज द नेम, जो हमारे नेम की जगह पे यूज होता है वर्ड, उसको हम प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. लाइक ही, शी, इट, दे, आई, वी एंड यू. Choose the pronoun to complete the sentences. I like apple because it's juicy. This one is done for you. Ali's mother said that he is very happy. Children are in the lawn, they are playing. Anaya is an intelligent girl. She gets good grades. Ali won the prize because he played well. Now read the following sentences. Aisha makes me laugh. Umar gave us pencils. You need medicine. Aisha tell him to run. Umar tell her to sleep. Sana gave them chips to eat. He tell me the truth. They were walking with their friends. Me, us, him, her, them are the objective case of the pronouns. The objective case of the pronouns. What are the objective case of the pronoun? Me, us, you, him, her, them are the objective case of the pronoun. Open page number 33. Choose the suitable cases of pronouns to complete the sentences. Miss Mavish is our class teacher. हमारी class teacher है. हाँ, dash are a good boy. You are a good boy. Dear children, this one is done exercise for you. Miss Mavish is our class teacher. You are a good boy. He was walking with his sister. I like to play with them. My sister likes to play with me. The table shown all three cases of the pronouns. There are three cases of the pronouns: subjective case, possessive case, objective case. I is the subjective case. I, we, you, they, he. These are the subjective case. The possessive cases are I, my, we, our, you, your, they, their, he, his. And the objective case, I, my, me, we, our, us, you, your, you, they, their, them, he, his, him, she, her, it, its, it. Open page number 34. Singular, plural. Add s to each word to change into the plural. Dear children, if we want to make these words the plural, यानी कि जमा अगर हम इनको बनाना चाहते हैं, ज़्यादा करना चाहते हैं, तो we will put s at the last of the word. So let's start by birds. Bird परिंदा, birds परिंदे. Shirt shirts, tree trees, coat coats, bat bats, book books, chair chairs, board boards, cook cooks, farmer farmers. Add es to each word to change into the plural. If there will be the x and the ch, we have to put es at the end to make it plural. Like this one is box, boxes, churches, matches, benches, brushes, mangoes, dishes, scotches. Change y to I and add es to each word to make it plural. We will replace y with ies to make it plural. Paris. Like this: berry, berries, fairies, cities, pennies, ladies, ladies, babies, flies, stories. Change f to v and add es to each word to make it plural. We will replace f with v, as to make it plural, like this: shelf, shelves, bull, bulbs, leaves, sheaves, calves, loaves, halves, chief. Change the underlined nouns into the plural and rewrite the sentences. Like this one is leaf. So we will change F with VES to make it plural. The leaves fell from the trees. She keeps her stickers in our boxes. In boxes. नहीं आएगा. In boxes. The bakers put the buns onto the shelves. VES. We replace F with VES. Dear children, this one is the done exercise for you. The leaves fell from the trees. She keeps her stickers in our boxes. In boxes. We will not use A. The bakers put the buns on the shelves. The babies likes to drink milk. The girl likes to collect penny. The girls likes to collect pennies. The child like to play game. The children likes to play game. Open page number 36. Creative writing. How many colors the rainbow has? Give their names and color the rainbow below and write 4 lines about it. प्यारे बच्चों, यहाँ पर हमने बताना है कि रेनबो में कितने कलर्स हैं और उनके नाम बताने हैं, उन कलर्स के नेम लिखने हैं और फिर रेनबो के ऊपर 4 लाइन्स हमने लिखनी है. लेट्स स्टार्ट. The rainbow has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, violet, blue, indigo. The 4 lines about rainbow are: the rainbow appears on the sky after rain. It has 7 colors. It looks beautiful. Now children, we have finished the exercise. Learn the exercise well. Also do the grammar practice again and again and learn each and everything. Thank you.
ए रब्बे दो जहां, ए रब्बे दो जहां,
हर शय में तेरे जलवे, हर शय में तेरे जलवे, हर चीज तेरी पहचान.
ए रब्बे दो जहां.